Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 Pro Limited Edition, and I'm gonna show you how to pair this watch with the Android phone. First thing we need to do is to turn on our watch, and you can turn it on by pressing and holding the upper button. Keep holding it until you see the AMAZFIT logo on the screen, and once you see the logo you can release the button and wait until the watch is done booting up. And after the watch boots up, you should see the list of languages on the screen. And you can scroll through this list by swiping up and down on the screen. And once you find the language you would like to use on your watch, tap on it to select it. And after you select the language, you will see the QR code on the screen, which means we need to download and install the ZEP application on the phone we want to pair our watch with, and use that application to pair the devices. So go to your phone, make sure you have the internet connection and Bluetooth enabled, then open the Play Store. In the Play Store, tap on search, tap on the search bar and type in ZEP. And once you type it in and tap on search, you should see this application on the list. Tap on it, then tap on the install button to download and install it. And once the application is done installing, you should see the open button, and you can tap on it to open the application. Now we need to log in into a ZEP account. If you don't have one, you can always tap on sign up or use the third-party account like Google, Facebook or Xiaomi. I already have one, so I'm gonna tap right here, enter the email address and password. And then I can tap on sign in to log in. After you log in, you should see the home page. Now tap on the profile icon, and here on the profile page you should see a list of my devices. I don't have any devices right here, but we are interested in this add device button, so tap on it. Then select watch, tap on get it, and allow the required permissions. Do the same for this pop-up, and it will open the camera app. What we need to do is basically scan the QR code with the phone's camera. So we need to pick up the phone and point the camera of the phone on the QR code. It will scan the code, and after that it will start pairing the devices. If you see this pop-up, tap on the checkmark to confirm. Here you can synchronize settings and training data basically to your new device if you want to. And if you want to synchronize it, so check the box you want and then tap on synchronize account information. I don't really want to do it. I'm gonna tap on set up new device basically. Here we have a pop-up about the notifications. Basically, if you want to receive the notifications from your phone on your watch, you will need to allow required permissions for it to work. And to allow them, you can tap on OK. It will redirect you to a specific page, and there you will need to allow the notification access. So if you want to use the notifications, tap on OK. If you don't care, you can tap on cancel and keep it disabled. I'm gonna tap on OK. As you can see, it directed us to the device and app notifications. We need to find the ZEP application on the list, tap on it, then tap on the switch next to allow notification access, and tap on allow. And once you allow the notification access, you can tap on the back button to go back, then tap on done, and we have more permissions basically. And this is useful for calling, because this watch has like a Bluetooth calling feature, and if you want to use it, you will need to allow more permissions. If you don't care, you can deny them. And as you can see now, it is telling us to basically pair the devices even further to enable the Bluetooth calls. And to do it, you will need to go to your Bluetooth settings and basically tap on the watch and pair it again, kinda through the Bluetooth basically. So if you want to use the Bluetooth calls, tap on go to settings. It will redirect you to this page, and what you need to do is to wait until the list of the available devices fills in, and the AMAZFIT GTR Pro will appear on this list. For me it is here because I was already paired with it, so I'm gonna unpair it quickly. So unpair it, and it will appear right here on this list. And you need to tap on it, tap on pair, tap on the check mark to confirm, and then as you can see we can go back to the app and we need to allow more permissions, and now the Bluetooth calls should be working. And in the Bluetooth settings, one thing to mention is, as you can see under the device, it says in use for calls, so you know it's for the Bluetooth calls. Okay, and once you're done with the Bluetooth calls and the permissions, you should see the device page for your AMAZFIT GTR Pro Limited Edition, and that means that the devices are paired together. And that's how you pair this watch with the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.